if Wanda were here right now,
She messed with my mind.
and she got in your head,
Mm-hmm.
what would you see?
Honestly, I think I would see the fear of being what I used to be, with a whole bunch of with the anger that I held, with the resentment that I felt, and just totally disconnecting myself and personally just being like thinking that I'm in control of everything.
Yeah.
I feel like it would be that, and just in a sense of fear of. Yeah, a fear of that, because after that point, it's just a disconnect of everybody. I'd be failing in this season of time. I'd be failing a whole lot of people. Where I am now isn't where I used to be. So if I slump back to where I used to be, so much would be damaged. So yeah.
So it sounds like the fear of losing what you have now.
Yeah.
Fear of being the one that ruins it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes.
So there's
being my own worst enemy, because I know I can be my own worst enemy.
Well, and there's a lot you just shared there that's very similar to Tony.
Yeah.
Which, if you guys don't know out there listening, Joe Lee Stark, right?
So honestly, that's why I didn't pick like Iron Man or like Iron Man 3 or anything like that.
Yeah.
Because in that season of Age of Ultron, I was also kind of going through my dark path too. So
like when the movie came out?
Yeah, like 2015. So I was like, oh, okay, I am Tony Stark. So it kind of really solidified all that.